Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.4 first term. First term is that like that glass, like this a glass. These are the first term. It means where is the two radius, that is a first term. So we will apply here first term. How? A drinking glass in the shape of a first term of a cone height is equal to that is 14 centimeter, and then diameter of two circular end, that one R1 D1 is equal to that is 4 centimeter, so R1 is equal to that will be 2 centimeter, and then D1 is equal to D1, that will be R1, or D2 is equal to that is a 2 centimeter, so that R2 will be 1 centimeter. Then find the capacity of the glass. So capacity means that is a volume. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. So that 1 upon 3 pi value is not given here. It means 22 upon 7 into h is 14. That R1 is 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1. So that 7 2 is 14. So 44 upon 3 into 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 6 7. So that will be 7. Now 2 2 is 4 1 5 6 7. Yes, 7 4 is 28. 7 4 is 28. 3300 centimeter cube. Or you can write also in mixed fraction 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, then 2 upon 3 centimeter cube. And then second question, the slant height of a first term cone is that 4 centimeter. So L is equal to 4 centimeter, that is a slant height, and the perimeter, that means a circumference of its circular end is that one 18. So that C1 is equal to 18. So that we know that 2 pi R1 is equal to 18. So that 2 into 22 upon 7 into R1 is equal to 18. So R1 is equal to 18 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So that 2 9 ja R1 is equal to 9 7 ja 63 upon 22. Similarly, we find that C2 also. C2 is equal to, that is given here that 6. So C2 means 2 pi R2 is equal to 6. So that similarly 2 into 22 upon 7 into R2 is equal to 6. So R2 is equal to 6 into 7 upon 2 into 22, 2 3 ja. So R2 is equal to 6 7 21 upon 22 centimeter. And then we need to find that find the curved surface area of first term. Curved surface area means that CSA is equal to that is a pi L R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. That pi value is not given here. So 22 upon 7 into L is 4, and then R1 is 63 upon 22 plus that 21 upon 22, and then 22 upon 7 into 4 into 3 1 4 6 2 8 upon that is 22. 22 cancel by 22. 22 cancel by 22. So that 7 1 ja 7, that 7 2 ja. So 48 centimeter square, because we have find here surface area. And then third question is, you are looking the diagram here also. A container of phase, the cap used by the Turks in shape like the first term of the cone if the radius of the open side is 10 centimeter and then upper side that base 4 centimeter. So that R1 is equal to 10 centimeter or R2 is equal to 8 centimeter. R1 R2, that one, and then height is this one. So height is equal to that is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. So find the area of material. So area of material. So material is equal to volume of, that is a first term. So that L is given there. Sorry, that not H. That is a L. So pi L R1 plus R2, and then plus one side is closed also. So base area also we will apply that that base area is R2. So pi R2 square. So that pi value is not given, 22 upon 7 into L is 15, R1 is 10 plus that is 8, 10 plus, so that is a 4, that is a 4. So plus that pi is 22 upon 7 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4, then 20, 15 to the 30, 15 to the 33 upon 7 into 14 plus 4 for 16, 16 to the 32, 16 to the 32, 33, 35 upon 7. So that 14, 0, 0, 14, 3 ja 42, then carry 4, 14, 3, 42, 46 upon 7 plus 352 upon 7, and then add 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, and then 4 upon 7 centimeter square, and then we can convert in centimeter square or convert in mixed fraction also. 7 7 ja 7 1 ja 0 and 2 upon 7 centimeter square, that will be the answer. And then question number 4, this is a just lengthy type of question, so you will be see that very carefully. That question number 4, a container open from the top, made up of a metal sheet, is in the form of a frustum of a cone. Height is 16 centimeter. Height is 16 centimeter with radius its lower and upper is 8. That R2 is equal to, that is 8, and R1 is equal to 20 centimeter. And then respectively find the cost of the milk. Cost of milk we need to find that. So that first of all we will find the volume. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. That 1 upon 3 pi value is given here 3.14 into 3.14 into h is 16. R1 is 20 square plus 8 square plus 20 into 8, 20 into 8, and then after multiply process is just difficult here. That first of all we will see that 16 3 ja 16 4 ja 64 carry 6, 16 1 ja 16, 6 22 carry 2, 16 48 50, and then decimal upon 3 multiply 20 20 ja 400, 8 8 ja 64, 8 2 ja 16, and then 4 6 2 4 1 5 1 6 6 24, and then 3 2 ja 6 0 3 8 ja 24. By that multiply, now we will multiply the both, that will be that multiply will be 10, that multiply 10 4 4 9 decimal 9 centimeter cube, or in convert in liter that will be 410.449 liter. So cost is equal to that will be rupees 20 is given there. 20 multiplied 10.449. So that will be 208.998 rupees. So this is the approx value of that one is 209 answer. And then one more question in that question. One more question is there. How many seats are used here? So first of all we will find the L. So find the cost of milk that we have already proved. Find here. Also find the cost of the material sheet used to make the container. So that first of all we will find the L. L is equal to under root h square plus that R1 square minus R2 square. Oh sorry, R1 minus R2 whole square. R1 minus R2 whole square. So that h is 16 square and then plus R1 is 20 minus 8 square. 16 is 256 and then plus that is a 14 square. So that 256 14 is a 196 that will be 256 14 is a that will be 12 144 that will be 400. So that this is the 20 centimeter. It means 20 centimeter we have find the L. Now that metal sheet is equal to that is CSA, that pi L R1 plus R2 and then plus that close from that open from the top that is top means 20. So we will take the smaller that pi R2 square we will apply that. So that 3.14 multiply L is 20, R1 is 20 plus 8 plus 3.14 into 8 into 8. So that 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and then decimal and then multiply 28 plus 8 8 ja 64 and then by the calculation of that will be 1758 multiply of that will be 19 that will be 59 decimal 38 that will be the calculation of that one that will become first of all multiply both then we will add that will become this one that 1959.3 that will be 6 approximately that will be 6 I think and then centimeter square and then cost of that cost will be rupees 8 multiply 959.36 upon that is given 100 that is given in 100 that is given as 100. So that will be answer that will become 156 point that will be 75 rupees that will be the answer 156.75. Now the last question and most difficult question also that a metallic Write circular cone 20 meter high. 20 meter high. So first of all we will see the diagram here. That this is the cone. This is the 20 meter. 20 meter high, and whose vertex angle is 60 degree. That angle is 60 degree. And then cut into two part at the middle. So middle from cut, that will be 10 centimeter. Sorry, 10 meter centimeter. So that and then height plane parallel to its base. If the first term of obtain be the draw into a wire of diameter 1.6 centimeter. So that first of all, that will be diameter of wire. Diameter of wire is equal to, that is 1 upon 16 centimeter. So radius of wire is equal to 1 upon 32 centimeter. So find the length of wire. Length means height. Height is equal to, that is 12. Now we will find that this h is equal to 10 centimeter, because we need to only first term, and then R1. How we will find the R1? Let this one is a R1 or this is a R2. Okay. Now, so first of all we will find the R1. So that will be that height. So base and perpendicular. Base and perpendicular. So that will be, take the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is 20 upon base is R1. So that under root 3 is equal to 20 upon R1. So R1 is equal to 20 upon under root 3 centimeter. Similarly, R2 will find that. Now that will be, height will be tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now height is 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is 10 upon R1. So that R2, that is a R2. So under root 3 is equal to 10 upon R2. So R2 is equal to 10 upon under root 3. Now that H, R, R1, that diameter or other things we have find here. We can write here capital, because there is come the another thing also. Now volume of wire, that is a circular. So pi r square h is equal to volume of first term, that is a 1 upon 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. That pi cancel by pi. Next pi cancel by pi. So that r is 1 upon 32 into 1 upon 32 into that h. We need to find that h. 1 upon 3 into h is 10. R1 is that 20 upon under root 3 square plus 10 upon under root 3 square plus 20 upon under root 3 into 10 upon under root 3. Now that you will be see that h is equal to that 10 upon 3 into that will be, that calculation will be 400 upon 3, 100 upon 3, 200 upon 3, that will be 700 upon 3, 700 upon 3 into 32 into 32. I think that will become 10 upon 3 into 700 upon 3, that will be, yes. Now that you will be see the multiply of all these things, that will be 32 multiply 32 multiply 700, that will be 71681230 are there, and then upon 9. By the cancellation of that one will be 7964 decimal 4. So that is 7964 decimal 4 centimeter. 7964 decimal centimeter. 7964 decimal 4 centimeter. Okay.